Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPs and Fusion Technical. In today's video, we are going to see how we can delete an existing invoice. Go to Payables, click on Invoices, click on Task List. Now click on Manage Invoices, search for your invoice number, update. Click on Search. Search with today's date. Click on Yes. Yeah. Date update 1. I want to delete this invoice. To do that, extract invoice ID. So this is the SQL query that we can use to delete. Click on Navigator. Click on Tools. Click on Reports and Analytics. Click on Browse Catalog. Click on Create. Click on Data Model. Right. Select SQL query. Select FSCM. Delete invoice. Now write the query. Date update 1 is the invoice. Now click on OK. Select this, click on Data, click on View. So this is the invoice ID. Copy this invoice ID. And here, paste your invoice ID. This is our REST API. And make sure that the method is delete. Now click on Send. Yeah. 204 no content. 204 no content. That means the deletion process is already completed successfully. Now jump into the instance and search for that invoice. Click on Go to Payables. Click on Invoices. Click on Task List. Click on Manage Invoices. Now search for your invoice. Yeah. Date update 1. Now hit search. We are not able to find the invoice. That means the invoice is already deleted. We'll check from the backend. We'll come again into this path. Click on Tools, go to Tools, Reports and Analytics. Click on Browse Catalog. Click on Create. Click on Data Model. Write SQL query, search deleted invoice data source FSCM. Now search the invoice. Click on OK. Now here you can see you are not able to find any data. That means the invoice is deleted. Click on Home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPs and Fusion Technical for more Oracle Fusion videos. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.